Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share a job opening from Alstom located in Bangalore. As you can see here, they are hiring for SCADA application engineer. So coming to the job responsibilities, you have to develop SCADA application from design. You have to understand the SCADA development life cycle and interpret the customer requirements. So coming to the key skill sets required in SCADA platforms like Simplicity, Xenon, iFix, Wonderware, CAsh or .NET framework and SQL, and you must have 1 to 9 years of working experience. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can apply through this link.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.